Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, the last day of the July 2024. Let's find out what's going on the XRP to Tether at Zondacrypto. As you can see, I'm using the Japanese candlestick, and this is a daily time frame chart. Very nice movement to the upside, and which is rare for this pair, is that something that we can describe here as the impulsive pattern. Let me show you what I have in my mind. If you click here on the tools, and then there is Elliott wave tool as well, you can label it if you know what you're doing like this. It looks like we might have the wave 4 here on here, and the wave 5 is either completed or it's almost completed. So very nice situation on the XRP. If you manage to get some profits from this level here to, let's say, today's level, then you are up almost 67%. Very nice rally, very nice situation for all of the bulls. Okay, let's get rid of it. Now, what will happen next? Well, let me just find out some levels for you. XRP first level that had been violated, now it will act as the technical resistance. So this is the level here, let's say 0.64. So that's the level. Now the next target, obviously here, 0.70, and then the level of 0.74, and all of these levels are equally important for the bulls. They want to break above it. One last thing, which might be actually important as well, please take a look at this trend line. If you take a look at this trend line, you will notice that we broke above this trend line some time ago. That was a bullish breakout, very nice bullish breakout. So what next? Next most likely is correction, possibly even triggered by today's Fed's meeting. ABC to the downside towards the level of previous wave 4 area. So the previous wave 4 is roughly around this level here, and this level should be tested very soon, 0.5424. So that's the target for the wave, for the corrective wave. But basically it might be wave A or wave C. And then of course the market might be ready for another rally, and that's another altcoin I have found that is showing me this impulsive wave to the upside and this deterioration to the downside. So it looks like we might be up to something very soon. So ABC to the downside almost ready. Typical target, previous wave 4 area. Let me just show you guys the other technical support levels. Of course, the swing low, obviously the swing low is here without any problem, and then there is there you go. And now let's say this is the level of technical support as well, 0.48. So this is the scenario for the XRP. Let me add the awesome oscillator to see the momentum, and you can see we are diverging, right? It will be better, you can spot it on better when the oscillator looks like this. There is a divergence between wave 3 and wave 5. You can see it here. There is a divergence, wave 3, wave 5, bearish divergence, which apparently supports our point of view that the XRP market is close to completion of the wave 5 and then entering the ABC corrective cycle using this awesome oscillator that expands the momentum. So that's my analysis of the XRP. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.